Hey, buddy. While we're doing this, we gotta remind our viewers that we also gonna be doing videos on Spanish, right? You're not that good at Spanish, but you're gonna start practice, right?
I'm practicing.
Yeah. So you wanna say something on Spanish to our viewers on Spanish? Please, hola, ¿cómo están?
Hola, ¿cómo están?
Trabajamos hoy
Estamos trabajando hoy
en el
en el
Leosburg,
Leosburg,
en el bochito,
en el
bochito de Leo.
bochito de Leo.
Okay, bochito amarillo.
Bochito.
What's amarillo mean?
Yeah.
Yellow. Leosburg, and Leosburg is yellow. So yeah, we're gonna later on we're gonna do more Spanish videos. So all the Spanish people, Spanish speaking people, if you wanna follow us on these things. Remember, Leosburg and Leosburg on TikTok also. Okay, I help you. Okay, scrub it. Scrub it really good. Look at how good it's coming. By the way, this is your favorite jam?
Yep.
So we're gonna turn it up a little bit. Okay, well we do the last end. We got 2 ends to do, right? Mr. Blue Sky, right?
Spray up.
Hey. And while we're doing this, buddy, we're getting ready for
For the Saturday car show. Stars and
Saturday
Stripes.
car show, Stars and Stripes in Sulphur, LA, right? Let's see, you want to help with that? Let's see if we can do a little better. It's not thick stuff. It looks like sand though, but again, I'm probably gonna scrape it since the thicker molding is gonna cover it. Look at that, it's coming out. Oh yeah, it will come off right there. It's not that hard, unless I'm putting them wrong. But you know what? That's might be what happened. No, because I think it'll work like better if you do it this way. The other way are way easier. Wonder how that's gonna affect. Anyway, again, we're not pros. These things didn't come with instructions. I feel like if I put them like this, they're too, I don't know. I'm gonna try that one like that. We'll be back once we stop. I decided I'm gonna put them like this because it's definitely look how easy they're coming in. So I figure when I putting them in, it's gonna be easier too. Okay, so important thing, this one really don't matter, but you can see where how the figure is. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna take this off again since it's easy to put them back, and make sure that we're doing it the right way. And I think we're good. Just like that. Okay, buddy, you ready? We're gonna put this in. I already did the holes, which it's calling for 1/4 inch, and that's what we're doing. All right. Yeah, no, we're not putting those. We were talking about these plastic cups. I don't think we're putting them. I think it'll be we gotta make a bigger hole, and then you get on risk of mess it up. I just don't want to do it. We're gonna try to do it just the way they were. So let's try it. If it doesn't work, then we do it the other way, right? Okay. There he is. There he is. And there he is.
What about this?
That's where like I say again, we're gonna end up with an extra hole here. We're gonna put an emblem here. We're gonna have to order that, buddy. This last, I like it though. I like it a lot. What do you think, buddy? You see the difference between the old one and the new one on the size. Look at the difference though. It's way thicker. It's like, I'm gonna say it's almost double. It's double stick. And that's what I like. But as you can tell, this one's bigger. So we're gonna have to put an emblem there. Unfortunately, I don't have it now. I'm gonna order it. And I order all this stuff from, we can call it Mexican Amazon, but it's called Mercado Libre, right?
Yes.
So Mercado Libre had all had all these pieces. And they so far they've been working fine. I ordered the Safari window, the retractable windows on the back too. I installed them myself. It was not that bad. All right, buddy. So we're gonna do more holes. You wanna help me with this? Come on, hold it here. Hold it. Okay, so you're just gonna make sure that it's center. Keep going on the same hole. And that's it. Okay, we're gonna do the next one. Make sure it's center. Go slow. You're gonna have to go. We got a brand new bead, which is sharp. So that'll do easy. There he is. So we're gonna keep doing with the rest of them, and we'll be right back when we finish, right? Not quick.
I believe
Okay.
that almost square part.
Well, yeah, you're right. Can you tell me again so they know?
The square part's got to go right here.
Against that, right? And the round part goes to the front. So let's kind of line them up a little bit. That one goes right there.
Right there.
This one goes right here.
And right there.
That looks close enough, right?
And clamp.
And we're gonna just kind of push it. I want you to look at it right here. And it's right there. Just look at here. Right there. And look how close that is.
Squeezy.
Squeeze on it and it's tied up. And look at the difference though. That looks tight, bro. That looks really, really nice. So we need one of the low ones. Well, you don't open all these. Well, I'll put this. One of these two. So again, the square parts going to where the square part is. Follow? And then the little round part goes to the other side, like right here. So I think this one is from here. There's no doubt. And it's taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 staples. I'll put 5 of them. Okay, so this will be the process all the way till we complete the. We got 5 more to go. So we'll be back. You can see done this side already. Man, it's a big difference though. Look how nice that looks. It's just the way the thicker moldy looks. It really does a difference. Look at that. And now we're gonna do, I'm drilling this side. What you doing there, buddy?
I'm just chilling.
Chilling? Alright, well let's get out so we can finish with this thing. You can see already making the holes bigger on this side. So let's move on, buddy. We'll be back whenever we start to install them and finish this molding installation. What you doing there, buddy?
I'm just taking all the dust out.
The dust and the metal shavings?
Yep.
Now what you recommend on these cases? Would you wear gloves?
Yeah.
Yes, but we're not, right? But we should.
Yep.
So again, we're doing this video on our own. We're not professionals, right, buddy?
No.
Feel free to do it the way you want. It looks like what we're doing is working pretty good. I watch videos of these installations of YouTube. So that's how we're doing this, pretty much. So what's going on there, buddy?
There's just a few pieces of metal shaped.
Okay, well be careful, don't stick them on your fingers. Again, just take the precautions, you know, basics, wear gloves. I'm pretty aware of how to use a drill. That's really all the hardest part though. Taking it off, use the plastic little pry bars. And I'll give you a sample when we finish the install with the tools needed. Alright, so we're gonna keep installing and we'll be right back. Okay, buddy, we're down to our last. Let me see, because nobody can see your head. Is it hot in here?
Not that much.
Well, you're sweating, buddy.
I know.
We're down to our last piece, right? Everything's been going. What do you think?
It's not that bad.
Okay, so you got all the pieces ready for the last one?
Yeah, that's
Is this touching here? I think it is. About we start on this side. Come on, I'll hold it. Start here. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Let's 2, 3, 1, go. Next one here. Right here.
1,
2.
3.
Oh, okay.
Wait, hold on. They
Okay.
fall off.
Then we're good. We're still good? Okay, push that one. Push it hard. Come on. Okay, let me help you. There you go.
Hold on.
There you go. Let's do the last one. You got this? Push it hard. How about the whole hand? Is it hard?
Yeah.
Oh, you can see a kid don't do it, but a little bit of strength. Come on. And teamwork. Is this teamwork? There you go. And we got them all. We're gonna push it over here. Oh, and I think we put this one wrong. If I'm not mistaken, yeah. Then we put it wrong, buddy. This was this way. So let's see if we can put it back. We'll be right back. Let's see if we can fix it.